Good day to all. This is Shamit Sawant from Team 1 by COSC, and this is our video presentation for SIH 2022. The problem statement that we chose during SIH stated the following major problems. Many times the streetlights remain non-functional due to late information about exact location and unavailability of sufficient service support in rural areas. Second, since the problem statement primarily focuses on rural areas, the solution has to be low cost. Third, because of the outage of streetlights, the area becomes unsafe for people at night, especially elders, women, and children. This also leads to increase in number of roadside accidents. And fourth, we were asked to make an automated feedback system based on a software that would allow the service engineer to know the exact location of non-functional streetlights in their area of responsibility. In our solution, we have tried to solve the problem stated above. Talking about our solution, we have taken an IoT approach where we have primarily used LDR sensors, RF module, and GSM module. I will be explaining the simulation using photos and then run our actual simulation on Proteus to show how the entire thing works. So this is the photo of our module. Uh, so these are the streetlights on our left, and these are the LDR sensors. The LDR sensors give analog output, which is then converted to digital output using analog to digital converters. These are the analog to digital converters. This information is then passed through a multiplexer, which helps assign unique IDs to the streetlights. We have the multiplexer over here. The information of LDRs is then transmitted using RF transmitter and received using RF receiver. We have the RF transmitter over here and the RF receiver over here. Now once the data is received by RF receiver, it is transferred to a demultiplexer, which in turn transfers the data to Arduino. The RF receiver transfers the data through the demultiplexer to the Arduino. Arduino then decodes the data and sends the message to the operator sitting far away using GSM module. We have the GSM module over here in the bottom right. We have displayed the messages which will be sent to the operator on LCD screen. The operator will also get the exact location of the streetlight on his phone, which can be accessed using Google Maps. This is how the ping will look like to the operator. This is how the Google Map ping will look like. Now let's talk about the simulation itself that we have made on Proteus. So this is our simulation. Here we can see that the lamp second and lamp fourth are far away from the LDR sensor, so it will show that the lamp 2 and lamp 4 are faulty and are in off state. I'll just run the simulation and we can see that both the latitude and longitude values of the LDR2, the lamp 2 and lamp 4 will be shown over here. So the data is being sent to the server using the GSM module. The GSM is being initialized. So as we can see that the simulation is showing that the lamp 2 and lamp 4 is in off state and the lamp 1 and lamp 3 are in on state. So we can clearly see that the lamp 2 and lamp 4 is been shown as faulty and needs some repairing work. This data is being sent to the server, which will be further sent to the operator who will look into the repairing part of it. This is the latitude of the lamp 2, the sheet light 2, and this is the longitude of the lamp 2. We'll also get the latitude and longitude of lamp 4. This is the latitude of lamp 4. And this is the longitude of lamp 4. So now let's talk about how we are solving the 4 problems that we had previously discussed. The first problem is solved since we are continuously monitoring the streetlights during the night time. The LDR sensors detect real-time faults in the streetlights, therefore the problem of late information is solved here. Second, since most of the sensors and modules used in the project are low cost, the entire thing can be implemented very easily and on a low budget. Third, since the streetlights are monitored real time, the time taken for repairing the streetlights are low. Therefore, the problem of safety for elders, women, children, and riders is also solved. We also have plans of incorporating citizens for collecting more data so that the entire system becomes more efficient and quick. The fourth problem is solved since we are sending the exact location to the operator, that is both the latitude and longitude values. The operator will directly get a ping on the Google map itself. So this was all from our side, team 1 by COSI. This was our solution to the given problem statement. We would also like to thank SIH, VJTI and our mentors for this opportunity. Thank you.